Ditch that unhealthy ways of having a breakfast. Having idli in the morning, having sandwiches in the morning is not a good idea. Skipping the breakfast is even a bad idea. Breakfast has to be one of the most important meals of the day. Make the breakfast rich, energetic, nutritious first thing in the morning so that your day begins well and therefore hopefully it will end well as well. This video is part of a series of videos that I am releasing on raw food diet as a course. But wait, each of them can be viewed individually as well. So I made the topics in such a way that you could watch whichever is of interest to you. Sirisha is a busy working woman. She has to get her children prepared early in the morning and also make sure that her husband gets a good breakfast. So her mornings are quite busy. The question is, can you make some healthy breakfast the previous day night so you don't have to hurry in the morning? I will share three particular ways in which healthy breakfast can be made the previous day night and they're almost ready to eat the next day in the morning. So here is my first preferred one. This is a healthy breakfast which will have a complete nutrition. In a bottle which will have a lid, pour about 1/4 cup of white chia seeds. Put some dried cranberry or blueberry or any dry fruit that you like which is sweet in nature. 3 or 4 dry dates which are cut into small pieces. Add some cashews and pista, whatever you may want to use as seeds and dry fruits into the bottle. Add a flavoring agent as a cocoa powder if you prefer, or you could avoid that as well. Add some fruits such as cut banana, cut apple pieces, even ripened mango, and include all of these in that bottle which I have mentioned, and pour about 3 to 4 times, even up to 5 times of almond milk. Just stir it well. If you prefer it more sweet, you could add some raisins and also you could add some liquid sweetener of your choice, such as date syrup or agave syrup or maple syrup or stevia, whatever. Stir it well, put the lid on, leave it in the refrigerator overnight. The next day morning, when you want to have your breakfast, just take out that and it is ready to eat. If you prefer to have a little crunch, you could chop some almonds that you have broken the previous day night and garnish it and eat it right away. Chilled, excellent, fulfilling breakfast in the morning. If you want to make a more variety out of this, replace the chia seeds with rolled classic oats. I am referring to rolled classic oats only, which are less processed. Use this in place of chia seeds, but in this case you may want to use a little less of almond milk because oats do not soak up so much almond milk as that of chia seeds. This is an excellent breakfast in the morning. You could change the fruits in varieties of ways. Instead of cocoa powder, you can skip it altogether. You could use carob powder. You can do all kinds of things by changing the flavors. So these are two varieties of a porridge that you can make right in the morning. If you want to add a little more energy into it, you can also have some dehydrated coconut powder included when you are making the porridge the previous day night. First choice. The second method is getting a smoothie ready for the morning. So in your blender the previous day night, add about 1/3 cup of cashews. I am suggesting this for one person. If you are making it for two people, you can double it up. Put a bunch of spinach, good quantity of spinach. Add some dates, any other flavoring agents if you prefer, but if you prefer it plain, I would just go with a pinch of ginger. Just leave it ready for the morning. The next day morning, You add 3 bananas into that, add 1 or 2 lemon juice and some quantity of water enough to fill it well. Blend it up. As it is blending, add more quantity of water so that this becomes about 2 cups or 3 cups of total smoothie. You could also add coconut oil the previous day night itself if you want to make it even more richer. This will give you a lot of energy in the morning. Now, making the smoothie itself takes only about a minute. Cleaning up happens in a jiffy. Just add a drop of soap and some water and blend it up after you have taken your smoothie out. This will wash away the blender also in a jiffy. So healthy breakfast, very nutritious, filling, first thing in the morning, easy cleanup, everything is done. The third variety, if you prefer something like cereals, you can make some raw food crackers. These are dehydrated crackers. I have several recipes listed in my channel for breakfast and also dehydrated foods. You could use them as the cereal in the morning. Break it up, crumble them into small pieces, add some cashew milk in place of almond milk. It is tastier. Mix up the whole thing and eat it up right away. This will only probably take 2 minutes or less than that to make the breakfast and eat it quickly as well. And here is a bonus. If you are somebody who do not like to have heavy breakfast but then you want to have good nutrition in the morning, then what you can do is you can peel the vegetables in the previous day night, keep it ready, and the next day morning you make some vegetable juice out of that, add some lemon juice, add some liquid sweetener and mix up the whole thing and drink it right away. About 300 to 500 ml is a good quantity of vegetable juice to be had in the morning. It's very nutritious, light on your stomach and very healthy. It doesn't give you a lot of energy. If you are looking for losing weight in a big way, in a substantial way, and you prefer to have a light breakfast, this is one choice. Guys, I hope this video made some sense to you. If it did, click on that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, share it with your friends. I think that is the most important thing for me. Rather than clicking on the like or subscribe, I would rather prefer that you share the videos with your friends in the network who could be interested in topics such as this. Let them know there is a channel such as this which is talking about a healthy way of living through a proper diet. Thank you. Have a nice day or evening, whatever is left for you now. Bye.